All right.
All right, guys.
Guess
good
where
morning.
we are?
And we are at
Badlands National Park.
the Badlands.
Yes, our first time here.
We're at the visitor center, and if you look around, show them the view. Huh?
Beautiful.
The welcome center. It's awesome.
Yep.
The Badlands.
So join us.
We're going to show you guys around Badlands and see what it's all about. The weather is beautiful. It's windy, and it's probably around the 64-5 degree weather, and it's
beautiful.
Perfect for us. So
yes, let's
all right,
go.
Let's go on in.
Good morning.
Morning.
Sarah, there's a friend inside, a live friend.
Oh no.
How did he get in there?
Good morning, welcome to Badlands National Park. Our park orientation film, The Land of Stone and Light, will begin in our theater in 3 minutes. Film is 20 minutes long, begins in 3 minutes.
What is going on in this picture? Isn't that the mother? Oh, a large pig-like animal. So they got a lot of interesting things in here, huh?
Yeah. Very educational.
Yeah, and they have a lot of things like that would interest kids too. So, and they had a show going on in 3 minutes, they said. An introduction to the Badlands.
I was reading some of these areas like the prairie fire.
Oh, wow.
Burns.
I didn't see that yet. So these are prescribed burns, you said?
Yeah.
Well,
Natural fires caused by lightning strikes burn this accumulation away. So basically, it destroys, but they also renew. Thick plant growth chokes out new green growth
cool.
that animals prefer to eat. So they basically burn that off, so it grows.
So it has
so
fresh grass for them.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's wild. That's a lot.
Up to 30 million bison.
Oh my gosh. This is interesting. You guys can hit pause if you want to read this.
Look at that. 160 acres against $18 that you'd starve to death before you lived on the land.
Mm.
Alters as a living.
So that's pretty cool if you come in here, and they even have a little bench right here. I'll show you.
To walk on the land, we have that connection of who we are, and we know who we are.
Yeah, so that's, if you have a few minutes to sit here and watch that,
It's a piece of land.
pretty interesting.
That, because of its geography, it doesn't have all of
Right.
these.
Tell them where we are.
We're at the Badlands National Park at the Cedar Pass Campground.
And what better location to do it, a Cooking with Scott video.
Yeah.
On my brand spanking new grill, the Road Trip grill.
It's called the Road Trip.
Yes, I was going to do a box opening. Got some onions going on. Okay, these are just a little bit. This is my first time using this grill, so I'm trying to break it in. But look
Smells
at the
really
views.
good.
Look at the views here, guys.
Yeah.
Now,
Let me pan around.
We just pulled in. We got a place. It has electric. It's a nice breeze, though.
Yep.
Not necessary, but look
Got
at the
electric.
beautiful views.
We'll show you around this campground later, huh?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
so
Tomorrow we'll show you around the campground some more.
So we got here a day early. We've been trucking along, and
That's why I know in between videos, because we just been going.
that's right. And very little Wi-Fi hookup.
No Wi-Fi right here.
Even on our phones.
No cell phone service
Sometimes no cell phone, no Wi-Fi.
either.
No,
It's wonderful.
And even my mobile Wi-Fi doesn't work out here.
It's good.
But it's peace and quiet, and we're trying to keep it down. But as you can see, there's some big rigs over there. There's some
Yeah.
pop-ups. There's some tents.
Tents.
They got it all here, and this is
There's restrooms I haven't checked out yet, but I will. I'll
just look
check
at the
them out.
sights. Just pan
Yeah.
around there.
I did. It's wonderful.
This is our first time to this national park,
Yes,
but
we
we've
have,
been to many.
but we've never been to the Badlands.
Let's watch my.
Don't forget the steak.
Yeah,
We don't have any spares. There's no store nearby here.
yeah, we brought these along. Anyway, got my onions cooking here. I'll get these all. Gotta turn this heat down.
So
a
what do you
little
put
bit.
it? How do you make your onions? Why don't you tell them?
Oh, there's actually two ways that I make them. Sometimes I get my fist and I put me aluminum foil over it just to make it kind of like a cup. And then I'll put oil in it you could put peppers, hot peppers, bell peppers,
We don't have
onions.
peppers.
I eat peppers.
Yeah, but you don't make them with peppers because we don't eat peppers.
Yeah, but mostly it's onion. And I cook it right on the grill like that, because you just seal it up at the top and maybe just open it up towards the end there a little bit. They come out excellent. And sometimes I just put it in a skillet here right on the grill. I like to
What
cook
do you have on there?
I like to cook everything on the grill.
Garlic salt.
Sometimes I put garlic salt on it. Sometimes I put all seasons, depending, just to get a little bit of flavor in more flavor in the onion.
Garlic salt.
But anyway, this is my new Road Trip grill. I was going to do a box opening like I
But we
said.
were hungry.
But we opened this up, I'm not kidding you, in like 5 minutes, put the wheels on, and everybody's looking at us like,
Yeah.
man, these guys just jump out of the RV and get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but I hopefully you're going to
Hopefully you enjoy this campground.
Yeah.
Because this is a Cedar Pass campground. And I'll show you guys around this campground.
Yep. We're just going to get set up here. Like I
Eat,
said,
relax.
They got a few electric sites here, and they got a dump station. She'll go over all that stuff with you. As for now, we're just going to cook.
And
kick
enjoy
back.
the rest of the evening.
And I've been doing a lot of driving, so I'm
Yeah,
kind of
a lot.
I just need to wind myself down here a second, get my composure, and I'll be back at it.
Yes.
My
All
Mountain
right.
Dew's been keeping me going.
We'll leave you guys with this. Oh wait, what'd you put on the steak?
I just threw some all seasons on the steak this time. Let me just
All
show 'em what I
seasons,
did.
yeah.
This is all
They
I
want,
used.
this is cooking with Scott.
This
You
is
got to
all
show them.
This is all I used this time around. It's
And
the
garlic
quick way.
salt on the onions.
And if you really want to do a good steak, you could put a little bit of oil on top of it so it don't stick to your grill or burn or anything like that. And then put your seasoning on top of that.
Yes.
Normally just let the seasoning just
You mean
get
like
familiar
marinate
with
it?
Yeah, get familiar with the steak before you throw it on there.
Get familiar with it.
That's
All
it.
right.
And of course you got to add one more thing to this.
What?
A smile. Little places to put your utensils. I'm using a cheapie today, but you know, look, didn't show you this stuff, did I?
Fancy.
I'm not done. I think. Look at that.
Pretty fancy. Look at that.
Look at this. See how this is starting to loosen up, Jolly? You see how this is starting to...
Yeah, I see that.
You don't want to burn it.
I
You
can't
wanna
wait to
keep
eat.
it?
I'm hungry.
And my road tripping cup.
Yeah.
You see that?
All right. Let's eat. All right, guys, this is Burns Basin